Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we are going to crack the code of the Russian alphabet. So have you ever looked at those letters and just thought, whoa, that looks complicated? Well, if you have, you are in exactly the right place. I promise by the end of this, you'll be reading your very first words in Russian. Let's get started. Okay, first things first, I want you to know that the Russian alphabet is so much easier than it looks. I know it can seem intimidating, but really, it's just a matter of breaking it down into small, simple pieces. So let's just push all that confusion aside and start building some real confidence. All right, so we're going to start with the easy stuff. I like to call these your friends. They're the letters you already know. They look familiar, and the best part is they sound exactly like you think they would. This is our foundation. Let's go through these one by one. I'll say the sound, and you can repeat right after me. Ready? First up, we have A. Next is K. Then we've got M, followed by O, and finally T. See? Just like that. You know 5 letters. That was easy, right? Okay, now for our next group. I call these the false friends. Now, these are a little bit tricky, and that's because they look like English letters, but surprise, they make a totally different sound. Just think of it like a fun little puzzle we're going to solve together. The key here is to just retrain your brain a little bit for these specific letters. So this first one, it looks like a B, right? But in Russian, it makes a V sound. Listen, V. Next, what looks like an H is actually an N sound. Repeat after me. N. Now, this one that looks like a P is a rolled R sound. Give it a try. R. The one that looks like a C is just a simple S sound. S. This next one, which looks like a Y, is an U sound, like in the word moon. Listen. U. And finally, the X makes a cut sound, kind of from the back of your throat, like the ch in the Scottish word lof. Let's try it. Ch. Great job! That was honestly the hardest part, and you're already through it. And now for the really fun part. Let's meet the brand new letters, the ones that are really and truly Russian. Don't worry, we're going to use some simple tricks to help you remember them. Our first new character is this one, zh. It makes that zh sound, you know, like in the middle of the word vision or pleasure. Let's try it. Zh. Your turn. Okay, next up is s. This one's pretty fun. It makes the ts sound you hear at the very end of the word pizza. Listen closely. Ts. Now you try. And here we have ch. This is a sound you definitely know. It's just ch, like in the word church. It's super common. Let's say it. Ch. Go for it. Now we have sh. This makes a nice, soft sh sound, just like in the word ship. Ready? Sh. Excellent. All right, this next one, sha, looks a little intense, but the trick is awesome. It sounds like saying the words fresh cheese really fast and squishing that sh sound together. Sh, ch. Listen, sha. Give that one a try. It definitely takes a little practice. Okay, get ready for a truly unique Russian sound. Uy. Honestly, there's nothing quite like it in English. Here's the trick. Give me a big smile, kind of pull your tongue back a bit, and try to say E from way back in your throat. It sounds like this. Uy. I know it feels weird at first, but you'll get the hang of it. We are almost at the finish line. These final 2 characters aren't really letters in the same way. They don't make their own sound. Instead, they're special signs that just change the sound of the letter that comes before them. So on the left, you see the soft sign, Y. All it does is make the consonant right before it sound, well, softer. On the right is the hard sign, U. You won't see this one very often at all. It just acts like a little separator inside a word. Don't stress about these 2 for now. We just want you to know they exist. Okay, take a deep breath. You did it. You've met the friends, the false friends, and all the new letters. You now have all the tools you need, so it's time for the best part. We are going to read some real Russian words together right now. You can absolutely do this. Look at this word. You know every single one of these letters. Let's sound it out together, nice and slow. M-O-S-K-V-A. Now let's put it together. Moskva. That's the Russian word for Moscow. Let's say it one more time. Moskva. You just read your first word in Russian. That's amazing. Let's try another one. This one looks a little longer, but don't worry, you know every letter. See our false friends R, S, and N in there? Let's sound it out. R-E-S-T-O-R-A.
Restaurant. And can you guess what that means? Restaurant. It's that simple. Let's say it again. Restaurant. Fantastic work.
And for our final word, this is a really important one that you'll use a lot. Let's decode it. S-P-A-S-I-B-O. Spasibo. This is how you say thank you in Russian. Let's say this important word together. Spasibo. Congratulations! You have successfully read 3 real words in Russian.
Seriously, just take a second to let that sink in. A few minutes ago, these were just some strange symbols on a screen, and now you're reading them. You're saying them. That is a huge, huge accomplishment, and you should feel really proud of yourself for the focus you just put in.
So, what's next? You did an incredible job today, and the key is to keep this momentum going. To help you out, I've linked a downloadable PDF of the entire alphabet right in the description below for you to practice. And of course, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss Lesson 2, where we'll start using these letters to build our very first phrases. Thank you so much for learning with me today. See you there.